Precision Power was founded in 2017 with the vision to provide automotive enthusiasts in the UAE with the parts, accessories, and expertise in repair and maintenance for all types of vehicles. Our lineup represents the highest quality in aftermarket products, carefully curated by our team for the highest quality of OEM parts for all makes and types of automobiles. Our exclusive dealership rights ensure that our customers have access to only the best in the automotive industry. Every car, let it be German, American, or Japanese, they all must be serviced at regular intervals, and these intervals are set by the car manufacturers. We at Precision Power Auto Garage provide a vast range of services which include oil change services, computer scanning and diagnostics, AC repair services. We do the brakes, suspension, and engine repair services. We also have pre-purchase inspection as well, and we are doing the transmission repair services. A special offer for the people watching this video. We would give a handsome discount for the minor and major services as well as complete computer diagnosis and electrical diagnosis.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.